On February 18th, 2025, the TF2 team announced the release of the complete client and server code for Team Fortress 2. And this isn't just a minor update, it's a massive expansion of the source SDK, empowering content creators to build entirely new experience based on TF2. But before we pop the champagne, let's dive into what it means for the future of TF2. On the bright side, the release is a dream coming true for the modding community. With access to the game core code, creators can now develop custom game modes that were previously impossible, introduce new weapons and items with unique mechanics, and overhaul existing maps or design entirely new ones from scratch. The potential for innovation is basically limitless. But it's not all sunshine and rainbow. Opening the source code can lead to some serious challenges. The first one is basically a security risk. With the code out in the open, malicious actors might exploit vulnerabilities, leading to cheats or hacks that could disrupt the game for everyone. It can also accelerate the development of new and more advanced hacks, making it easier for cheaters to create undetectable aimbots, wall hacks, or even game-breaking exploits. Anti-cheat measures might struggle to keep up, or potentially leading to some flooding public matches with more bots and cheaters than ever before. Or, on the opposite, the anti-cheat could be improved because of the fact that we have no access to the full code. Another thing that might happen is a fragmentation. An influx of mods could splinter the player base, making it harder to find standard matches. And if servers become filled with widely different versions of TF2, players might end up divided between multiple mini communities, reducing the overall matchmaking pool. And it would also lead to a potential divided TF2 experience. Right now, TF2 players mostly share one version of the game, but with this update, we could see dozens of competing community-driven versions of TF2 with some custom balance changes, unique weapons, or completely altered mechanics. And while the variety is great, it could also lead to some confusions and to another type of regulations for the TF2 community. It could be a loss of the shared TF2 identity, and with those new standalone TF2 variants who could be uploaded on the Steam market, we could have a loss in the TF2 community with already small on TF2. Imagine going from 100k players to like 50k or 40k just because other games exist, because TF2 Ultra, TF2 Plus and other versions of it exist, and each of its own will grab a small portion of the player base of TF2 because they will have updates and balance changes. Now, I will be just curious because it's just my thoughts on the SDK update. I'm not a modder and nor do I know a lot about that. So, what do you think about the SDK update? Do you think it's a good thing to have released the whole code of TF2 for the public, or do you think it's a bad thing? Feel free to tell me in the comment section.